I am so excited. I had came to this Dollar Tree. Oh, so many trees. Okay, family. So I cured this like 3 times, 3 or 4 times. And I don't even think he was supposed to do it that many times. Is this a go or a no? I heard you guys was looking for the steal deals like Holyfield, and honey, I got them. I am going to deliver. You are going to be so excited that you tuned into this video. Let's go. If you are looking for some a gel mask, honey, so they have so many different ones here. They have the Freeman. This is the watermelon and aloe, $1.25. They also have the exfoliating clay mask scrub. This is $1.25 as well. This is a steal deal. Now, it's been said through the grapevine that this is amazing, the clay mask one. I didn't hear too much about the watermelon one, but they said like the clay mask scrub with the apple cider vinegar, they said is really, really good. Another item that I absolutely love is definitely this. This is the Softy hair growth oil. Now this has so many amazing items in there. It has horsetail in there. It also has nettle in there. Really, really good. I normally take this and put it in my hair growth formula because the ingredients, are added as well, especially for $1.25. This is definitely a steal deal. Okay, listen, I just keep finding hit after hit after hit. Look at this. Listen, Dollar Tree, not today, not today, not today. You know, you gotta have a list when you come to Dollar Tree. Discipline, child. Check these out. So Dollar Tree has the Pacific Nights Power Stick. They said it smells so good. This is $1.25. Notes of jasmine, pear, and patacha. Honey, don't get me lying, all right? But look at this. It's really the packaging for me. If it smells anything like the Brazilian mist, oh my goodness. Now, the Brazilian mist was definitely a hit out of this world. Really, really good. You know what? I'm not getting this. Listen, when I tell you my intuition, it doesn't fail. It doesn't fail. They have things like this, the LED mini lamp, okay? And I guess this is like for your toe. I want to say this is for your toes. Check this out. Look, honey, look at this. Look at this. So this is the mini LED lamp and semi-curved gel nail strips. Love this. Applies like a strip, hardens to a nail, rich bold color and shine. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of these. Well, I'm gonna get the lamp and then I'm gonna also get the gel nail strips, okay? They also have the Fabulous Isaac. This is the perfume shower gel. I know I seen the spray, $1.25. All right, family, so I am so excited and stoked to do this video. Listen. So I went to Dollar Tree, got this amazing mini LED lamp, and I just already feel people saying, oh, it's no good for you and all this other stuff. Okay, honey, please. All right. But I got this mini LED lamp and this was $1.25. Now I told my oldest daughter about it. Look how fancy this is. This is from Must Have Beauty. I told my oldest daughter about it and she went on Dollar Tree website and it's not there. Okay, maybe you can check on Dollar Tree yourself, but it was not there. $1.25, not bad at all. You guys have seen these, okay? The first Dollar Tree that I went to, they had these gel strip nails. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and do them. All right, my love. So this part, I wanted to pretty much speed the process up on a video. One of the things that I did notice, that there's some tingling. Okay, like after you cure, you put your fingers up under the LED lamp, there's a little tingling. And I know on the packaging, it says like pretty much hit your hand so the tingling, I guess, sensation could go. This is after the fact. After I show you guys if this was a go or no. And it didn't say for me like to cut it. Wait, hold on, chill. I still got glue on from before. Hold on. Now, I don't know if these are, if they gonna expand, cause you see, like, it's a little crack over there, that you can see. Wait, let me see, maybe. Oh, I guess they do expand. Who knew? And do you cut it? Let me see, honey. All right. Applies like a strip, hardens to a nail. Let's see as we go. Like, let me know in the comment section whenever you guys like do, if you do your own press-on nails, like, do sometimes the press-on nail that they have for you, like if it's for this finger, is a little too big, right? Or too small. I don't know. But I know if it's too big, what I tend to do, like, I file the sides down just so it could adhere. Let me see. See, look. Honey, I ain't gonna tell you I had the legs. We gonna act like that didn't even happen. I had the legs folded, child. Had the legs folded. And I'm looking, I'm like, why is saying put my hand up under it? Okay. All right. Blame it on the not having enough rest. Okay. Didn't sleep enough last night. Now, okay. So let's do it now. All right, my love. So it's a part in here that I did take out was the brightness of the light. Because, honey, that light, it was so bright. It was brighter than a diamond. Okay? And I didn't want that flash. If you know anything about the UV light, you know it's bright. Okay? So I didn't want that flash, the flasher. So I cured this like 3 or 4 times. And I don't even think he was supposed to do it that many times. Is this a go or a no? So this is definitely a no for me. Right? I mean, it says cure for, let me see. Insert 4 fingers under the lamp and cure. Next, insert thumb and cure separately. To activate two timing function, quickly push button for 45 seconds, cure for a 60-second cure, and press hold button for 3 seconds. Honey, is this the way this is supposed to be? I mean, you can tell that the adhesive is like, you know, sticking good on the nails. You get what I'm saying? Could you guys look at this? Could you see? But this is it supposed to come off like this? Maybe I didn't cure it long enough. I don't know. But this is definitely a no for me. Okay. Now, Dollar Tree also have these fashion nails right here. These are really, really cute. So you get 12 pieces. And this is from Lady Bird. 12 pieces for $1.25. Not bad at all. So if you guys have not seen that video that I did last night with Freeman, the Rich Cream overnight, leave it on. Now, that was definitely a hit. This is $1.25. So many great reviews. 4.5. Really, really good. Key ingredients is hyaluronic acid, helps to lock in moisture. Magnesium helps to calm sensitive skin. It has barely any fragrance to it. It has like a slight scent to it, but not anything harsh. Absolutely. Now, this Dollar Tree also have the Daily Balance and Moisturizer. Yes to the tomatoes. $1.25. Love this. This is the reason I tell you guys to come to different Dollar Trees. Look at this. So when the you see any lipstick or nail polish in packages like this is a name brand. This is Sally Hansen, $1.25. Absolutely love this. Look at the little gingerbread man. They also have this one as well with the candy cane. This is cute. All right, so I'm also going to get my youngest daughter Amani this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Onyx bathhouse. If you guys don't know, Onyx bathhouse is actually a name brand, and this is the bubble bath champagne wishes, $1.25. Scents is honey and pear and Moroccan oil. The Monday Smooth. This is the shampoo. I know Dollar Tree was carrying a conditioner as well, but right now I just see the shampoo, and for $1.25 for this name brand, honey, this is a steal deal. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is the pain relieving patch. This is from Tiger Balm. This is $1.25. Really, really good advanced hydrogel patch technology for temporary relief of pains. Honey, Tiger Balm, ooh, child, is good. Especially like the little cream that they have that you get at the beauty supply store. But where you gonna get this patch for $1.25 from? But Dollar Tree. When I tell you this Dollar Tree has everything, lens wipes, and it's so funny, I came to this Dollar Tree before, but that's neither here nor there. They have 12 individually wrapped lens wipes. These are $1.25. They also have the BDS SPF 30 Kids Sunscreen Lotion, and they also have the regular BDF Sunscreen Lotion, $1.25. Now, if you guys have not seen these toothbrushes, oh my goodness. So Walmart carry these for $10. This is the V Eco. These are $1.25. When I tell you, honey, these are fancy. You can replace the toothbrush head. You talk about fancy, 90% less waste. If that matters to you, this is a steal. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Glow Getter Ioni, and I guess that they just got these in because the Dollar Tree next to me where I live at, they had these in like a while ago. And these are like the lashes, but they have a few different ones in here, honey, like the LA colors. This is supposed to be like just the Ioni, all right? Like the Choose Happy, you know, the like the 70s theme, believe in yourself, radiate positivity. Absolutely love that. Lean on your friends. Really, really cute. Be kind to your mind. I know that's right. And then they also have the nail art chrome powder. Really, really nice. Now, another hot item is the Summer Eve. This is the Intimate Skin Serum. This is $1.25. Daily Intimate Beauty, Hydrate Smooth, Softens, Gentle pH Balance. This has vitamin E, aloe, and coconut oil. Okay, so I don't know if it's just me, maybe because I'm in a different Dollar Tree, but they have stuff like this, like the tortilla chip strips, okay? the trio color, these are $1.25. Oh my goodness, honey, this Dollar Tree is movie proof. If you guys are looking for smell goods, when I tell you this is like word to the mother and like no other, is the Cozy Place. 2 of these for $1.50. Not bad at all. When I tell you they smell really, really good, absolutely divine. Now, the only thing about these is sometimes Dollar Tree don't have the actual plug-in, you know, so you would have to look. But when it comes to these odors, the coconut and tropical palm is definitely my favorite. Oh, but I didn't see the vanilla and bliss and orchid. Oh, chill. For $1.50, this is good. You guys better come on down to Clifton Dollar Tree. Okay, when I tell you they got so many new items, so many selections, it is so good up in here. Look at that. All right, so they have the Happy Halloween, you know, the pumpkin carving kits over here. These are $1.50. They also have the pumpkin decorating kits, $1.50. 4 pieces, really, really cute. They have the LED multicolored light, the flame light, the strobe light, $1.50 as well. They also have the creepy creatures. These are $1.50. They also have the glow in the dark pumpkin decorating kit. This is nice. nice, $1.50. 12-inch stacked pumpkin decor, $1.50 as well. Those are the smaller ones. They also have the 12 LED mini string lights. These come in 2 different colors. They have the orange and also the purple. Still deal. Now Dollar Tree also have the 60 count LED spider web lights. These are $6, and these are the bigger ones, okay, the longer ones. They also have the haunted doorbells. These are $7. Honey, we going up in price. Battery operated bubble witch pot. First time I think I seen this, $6. Really, really cute. They have 2 different colors. They have the green and also the purple. If you guys are celebrating anyone's birthday, upcoming birthday anytime soon, you want to definitely make sure you come on down to the Dollar Tree because they have so many new items. Favors, 6 surprises. This is like for the party bags, you know. They also have these, and then they have the 2 hanging decorations. Now some of the items at another Dollar Tree that I was in yesterday, they was like 50 cents. Some of the decor items. This is really, really cool. The pom-poms like this. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing this at the Dollar Tree, the pom-pom. All right, my loves, let's go to checkout.
666.
Okay. All right, family. What a lovely day it is. Oh gosh, feels so good. Now let me know in the comments section what is the items that you guys are going to be on the lookout for the next time you go to Dollar Tree. This Dollar Tree, they had so many new items, so many exciting items like these nail things. I'll show you guys once I get home how they look and stuff. I am so see, this is why you got to get out of your comfort zone. And with that being said, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves. Let us know in the comment section, did you find any goodies this week at the Dollar Tree, or whenever you went to the Dollar Tree, did you find any goodies? Peace.